अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
24th Safarul Muzaffar, Urus Mubarak of Hazrat Khwaja Shamsuddin Sialvi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Khwaja Shamsuddin Sialvi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in 1214 Hijri, corresponding to 1799 AC, in Sial Sharif, district Gulzar Taiba, Sargoda, Punjab, Pakistan. He appeared to be a distinguished personality in the world of spirituality and divine knowledge. He provided the people with pure guidance and laid the foundation of an academic institution for the seekers of knowledge. He provided them with the opportunities of gaining academic and spiritual knowledge. He benefited the people of the world with his spiritual merit and excellence, and made countless disciples reach high levels of excellence and spirituality. Hazrat Sayyid Ghulam Haidar Shah Jalalpuri and Hazrat Pir Meher Ali Shah, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhima, are remembered amongst his well-known spiritual successors. Hazrat Khwaja Shamsuddin Sialvi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on Jum'atul Mubarak, the 24th of Safarul Muzaffar, in 1300 Hijri, corresponding to 1883 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Sial Sharif, district Gulzar Taiba, Sargoda, Punjab, Pakistan. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला